Hello everyone, let's see the card reveal. Sorry for the delay, I was a bit occupied. So, if you have already chosen the card, it's good. If you have not chosen, you can choose right now. This week I have put two cards together. One is Tarot from Lightseer's deck, and the other is the Oracle, the Energy Oracle. So, the two card combo will have a special message for you for this week. So, let's start with card number 1. Card number 1. Here we get the beautiful devil and financial constraint. Okay, so the message for you here is the devil. डेविल का मतलब होता है कि वो सारी चीज़ें जो हमको बहुत अच्छी लगती है बट जिसके काफ़ी consequences होती है. तो दिस वीक you may be feeling stuck and you may be feeling like you are unable to give up, and you are unable to give up the bad habits. एक्चुअली नॉट ऑलवेज द बैड हैबिट्स. ऐसा नहीं होता है कि कुछ बहुत ही बैड हैबिट्स ही हमको हमेशा घेर के रखती है. समटाइम्स इट्स लाइक सिंपल थिंग्स जो हम करते हैं बट इट हैज़ मच कंसिक्वेंसेस. सो द डेविल इज़ टेलिंग यू हियर कि आप अपना यू शुड ट्राई टू कीप योर सेल्फ इन कंट्रोल दिस वीक. लाइक, and if you are like, for example, if you have spending habits, you want to spend money for your you have the habit of shopping, so that may lead to financial constraint because you cannot stop the temptation. The devil actually means the temptation for anything. The temptation can be for anything. The temptation for food, the temptation for money, the temptation for just chilling and not doing the workout. You don't want to hard work and just want to chill. So these are the bad habits that is comfortable. So we want to stay in comfort. तो उस comfort की वजह से हमको काफ़ी परेशानियाँ झेलनी पड़ती है. So the devil and the financial constraint is telling you that check your habits before blaming anyone else for your misfortune. बिकॉज आप सबसे पहले आप ये देखिए कि ऐसी कौन सी वजह है जिसकी वजह से आप प्रॉब्लम में आ रहे हैं. तो एवरीथिंग बिगिंस विथ यू. सो लुक फॉर द बैड हैबिट्स इन यू, लुक फॉर द टेम्पटेशंस इन यू, लुक फॉर द दैट इररेजिस्टिबल डिज़ायर्स इन यू. उनकी वजह से जो आपको फाइनेंशियल कॉन्स्ट्रेंट इज़ नॉट ऑलवेज मीन्स ओनली द मनी थिंग. इट कैन ऑल्सो मीन्स एनी काइंड ऑफ कंस्ट्रेंट. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आपने बहुत ज़्यादा खाना खा लिया एंड यू फील सिक, so that's because of this devil, because of this temptation. Later you will have to be on medicine, later you will have to follow the many protocols for the health. So that is what constraint means. So just check out for these temptations this week and don't fall for them. That's the message for you. Now we move on to the second combo. The second combo, here we get the Hanged Man and All Tied Up. So this week things are not moving on for you. जो भी आप चाहते हैं, जो भी, if you have some plans, if you have something, it all may be stuck somewhere and things are definitely not moving. You are feeling stuck because of many reasons. कोई भी काम आप करने जाएंगे तो उसमें आपको काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम्स फेस करनी पड़ेगी. एंड प्रॉब्लम से भी ज़्यादा हो सकता है कि आपका वो काम हो ही नहीं. लाइक डिले इज़ द वर्ड फॉर यू. सो right now so what can you do when everything is stopped and nothing is working in your favor? What can you do? That time you have to just enjoy that process, enjoy the process of hanging on. Like, you just have to hang on there and hope for a better outcome, but you have to practice patience. So be patient and just hope that everything will be fine soon. But right now you have no other options, just to stay there and enjoy the process, because everything is in your mind. All the happiness comes from your mind. So if you can change your mind, you can change your world. So right now आप अपना दृष्टिकोण ही बदलिए. अगर आप, like, if it is raining, you should look for rainbow, and if it is sun, then just enjoy the sunshine. So जो है उसको एक्सेप्ट करने में ही आपको सबसे ज़्यादा खुशी मिलती है. बिकॉज हम जो चाहते हैं वो हमेशा हासिल नहीं होता. लेकिन जो है लाइफ में उसमें भी हमको उस प्रोसेस को एन्जॉय करना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. सो दैट इज़ द लेसन फॉर यू दिस वीक, दैट एन्जॉय दिस मोमेंट, and even if it is tough, it is not for forever. So this week you have to have patience and just hope for everything to change for better. Now we move on to the third combo. Third combo में we get two of swords and sun. Two of swords यानी you are feeling very much confused, you are not able to take decisions, and many thoughts are actually binding you, like you are thinking of lots of things at the same time, so not able to decide. And you get, but with this you are getting a nice, the sun card. Sun is the card of creativity, and it is telling you to go outside and be creative, just be confident and do what you like to do. Just spend some time on some form of arts, maybe you, if you like painting, drawing, or music, singing, something like that. So take some leisure from your thoughts, because your thoughts are definitely making, your thoughts are making you very confused, and all the time you are in your mind. So take a break from your mind and indulge in some pleasure activity. And this two of swords also means indecision, so you are not able to decide something. So better not to think a lot, sometimes you just have to rest the thing. अगर आप किसी चीज़ के बारे में बहुत सोच रहे हैं तो भी आपको सोल्यूशन नहीं मिल रहा है, तो यू नीड टू टेक ए ब्रेक इंस्टेड ऑफ वही सोचना, बिकॉज दैट्स द ओनली फैक्ट यू हैव. आप जितना आप जानते हैं उसी पे आप बार बार सोच रहे हैं, तो यू आर नॉट गेटिंग दैट आंसर. सो स्टॉप थिंकिंग, टेक ए ब्रेक, डू समथिंग एल्स, and then automatically the answers will come to you. Automatically you will know what to do next. So take a break from your mind actually. So now we move on to the fourth combo. The fourth combo, here we get temperance and the thinking man. So here this week's energy is for you, that of balancing. You want to balance everything, you will be the balancing person in any situation or in any event. So temperance is about balancing your sun and moon. Basically everything is, see in life everything is the two energies only, yin and yang. That's the sun and moon, and extrovert, introvert. So these are the two energies that plays in our life. So temperance is about balancing those two things. Like when you are hungry, you eat. That is how the world works, right? So these are two energy that you have to work on. But then what happens when, if you are hungry and you are eating, if you are overeating, you are creating problem. If you are not eating, you are creating problem. So what you need, you cannot skip the food, but you are not supposed to overindulge. That's the message of the temperance. You have to do everything, but find a balance. And how you will find the balance? By using your thinking mind. Your mind, your brain will guide you. So do what is right, find out the middle path. Don't avoid extremes, avoid any kind of extreme, avoid making any promise, avoid making any decisions based on extremism. Always find the middle path, then you will be at peace. So this week try to avoid all the extremes and go for the middle path, and use your brain, make your brain more sharp, gather more information, gather more facts before deciding. So that way it will be easier for you. Now we move on to the fifth combo. So fifth and the last one is Nine of Cups and the Temple Path. So these two are very beautiful cards for you. Nine of Cups is the wish fulfillment, and Temple Path is by the surrender. So temple path always means then when we go towards the higher power, when we are going towards, when we understand that there is a limit to everything. We have a limitations, but when we surrender ourselves to the higher power, when we surrender towards the supreme, then our limitations are gone and we are able to achieve many things. But for that we need to surrender our ego. So that is the most important point, and that is the most important problem, because it's very tough, very tough to let go of the ego. Even the many who are really working on their sadhana, they also sometimes find it tough to let go of their ego, because ego is our identity and we all are so much attached with our own identity. So it takes time to let go of that attachment, let go of that identity. So temple path is the path of surrender, and once you are ready for the surrender, you are ready for the miracles that life gives to you. And nine of cups is all kinds of desire fulfillment, and you are finally happy. And so this week you can look for happy things, you can look for wish fulfillment, and also a new kind of feelings will develop in you, which will let you surrender, which will make you not religious. Actually, it's never about religion, it's always about the faith that you have in the, because the universe have a certain way of working, nothing is random. So once you understand that, you understand that you are also here for a reason. So once you surrender to the supreme plan, to the unknown, that's the time you open your heart towards every miracles. So be ready to receive miracles and be ready to open your heart. That is where you will get. So these are the cards this week. So have a wonderful week, all of you.